off the whip already.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel for yet another car mod video that's not to my own car. So today Garrett's over with his WRX and we are going to be putting on a couple things. I'll have to double check exactly what here in a second, but it should be pretty interesting. It's cloudy out, so it's not really going to be the best footage. It's kind of wet. It's not raining, but it's like looked like it rained like this morning. So I'm just moving stuff out of the driveway so he has all the room because we need to drive up on ramps. So anyways, I'll catch you guys when we start doing stuff. A little bit. All right, good. Nice. Does it work like the one on the TSX where you have to like thread drill, or does it bolt up to something? What? You have to like drill the threads in it, or does it bolt up?
It has like the drill spots. People are even doing it with screwdrivers.
Oh,
so really
okay, good. Well, not that we don't know how, but.
Damn it.
So it's not the ones on the skid tray, it's the ones on the actual bumper.
Like literally on the bumper.
Okay.
So it should fit up something like that.
Yeah. Alright, so the metal brackets, make sure you tighten it on the top side so it doesn't fall off. And then just the slides on the corner. So now you can drill from these two. Which, if you're doing this, it helps to have one of these. You can just kind of get in without having to move your wheels.
Okay, that one's in. Now we just got the brackets and the back screws there. I'm gonna double check everything and make sure, but I think that's it. I'm trying to close all that gap. Yeah, that's good. There we go. Okay, that one's on. Okay.
I just full throttle it.
in right here. This side is just the same spots as the other. We got one here, one here, one here, and one here. Okay. Got another one right here. That one's in. Okay. Got one here.
Which one? Here. Is that the last one in the corners or another one?
I think that's the last one. Then we have the brackets and then the corners by the wheels. There's like two at the very end.
These and then the two.
Yeah.
There.
Okay, that one's in. Oh, there's actually one at the very corner here. Didn't notice that one. That one's in. I went ahead and stripped that one out as well. So I'm trying to close all that gap.
Broke the lip already. Yeah, dude, that thing cold, dude. Your desk rolled off way too fast.
That little lip on the ramp.
Hang on.
So you're fine, but there's a little lip on the ramp on the backside that caught it. This part. That's what the,
Oh, there. Well, you fucked that one up in about a minute.
Yeah. Probably glue it back.
Yeah.
No biggie. So there's indeed a hole. So how are we gonna fix this? Well, so we got some JB weld, instant setting. You think it's gonna work? 1 minute weld?
I don't know. We gotta try something. The last
So
one did not work.
here's the piece. I mean, at least it's good it broke off in one single piece.
Yeah.
And it's kind of like a puzzle piece, but
fits in pretty good.
So fit it in, and I guess hold it for 1 minute.
Oh yeah. It didn't even move when I did. Alright, well, that's that, boys. Now we just let that sit for maybe an hour and a half because it's cold.
Then get some ice.